Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Hyperledger Besu. Now if you're like me, when you install something, I always like to figure out or understand how I can uninstall and get rid of what I've just put in. So if you looked at the video on how to install Hyperledger Besu, you will have noticed that I had two dependencies. One of them was to install a JDK, or Java in this case. It was adoptopenjdk. So we'll have to get rid of this folder, and the other dependency was tapping the Hyperledger Besu repository under taps. So we've got to get rid of this folder as well. So let's get rid of the tap first. That's probably the easiest one. You may recall the command was brew tap Hyperledger Besu, like so. So to get rid of this, all we got to do is go untap. And if I hit this command here, what you should notice is that the folder Hyperledger should disappear. So let's see if that is true. And there you have it. So we've successfully untapped the Hyperledger Besu folder. Let's go back into the cask room because we still have OpenJDK to deal with. If you recall, the command to install this was brew cask install adoptopenjdk, like so. So in this case, we're going to do uninstall adoptopenjdk, hit enter, and again you should see this folder disappear. Let me put in my password, and there we have it. Now that we've uninstalled both these dependencies, let's go and do brew uninstall, or actually install Besu was the original command. Let's go uninstall, like so, hit enter. You can see it's uninstalling 89 files and it's already been completed. So now if I go Besu -- version, I get no such file or directory found. So that's how you go ahead and uninstall Hyperledger Besu and all its dependencies.